Hello, everyone. In this session, we will continue our study of data alerts. This section focuses on the data alert tutorial. We will learn how to set up and manage data alerting tasks. This section is divided into four main parts: plugin installation, plugin permission allocation, creating an alert task and managing an alert task. First of all, let's understand. Data alerts need to realize the effective. The effective demonstrate through the built-in users of the data decision-making system. Learning how to alert cell data. Alerting on graphical data. The alerts to be realized are: Tom in the leadership department needs to be alerted to the order value in Indonesia. When the order amount in Indonesia is less than $3,000. Then send an alert notification to Lisa, the sales leader, through the platform. Lisa, the sales leader, will handle it. And Tom can check whether the alert to do is completed or not. Handling this alert is a non-public alert task. No one else can view or subscribe to the alert task. To alert for Suanlin's total shipping cost in Thailand area. The recipient and responsible person are Sunlin itself. Alert task is a public task. Lisa, the leader of Sunlin, subscribes to this task to keep an eye on the information. First of all, we need to install the Data Alert plugin in the Data Decision System. We log into the Data Decision System using our admin account. You can search for the Data Alert plugin in the Plugin Manager. Install it directly. Internet users can get the installation package. Get the installation package first. And then query and install it locally. The following is a demonstration of how to do it. First, log into the Data Decision System with your admin account. Then select Management System. Select Plugin Management. In the Plugin Management interface, select Install from Local. Click on the pre-downloaded package. Directly click Install. Install the plugin in the Data Decision System. After installing the plugin, the Data Alert button will appear on the left side of the directory. After installing the plugin, we need to assign the user permission. Depending on what we want to achieve in the example. Tom Sunlin is the alert creator. Lisa Sunlin is the responsible person. Tom and Lisa are both recipients of the alerts. Assign viewing permission to Lisa and Sunlin for the conditional query and chart linkage reports. After logging into the Data Decision System with your admin account, select Permission Management. Select the user's final permission. After selecting Lisa, select Directory Privileges. Enable the viewing privileges of the conditional query and chart linkage report. Then use the same method to enable the viewing privileges of this report for Tom Sunlin. Next, you need to enable the hierarchical authorization function of the supervisor to assign Tom Lisa Sunlin the permission to use the Data Alert function. So let's go back to the Data Decision System. Select the Setup button in Permission Management. Turn on hierarchical authorization and save it. Then we go back to the General Authorization configuration. Select the user's final authorization. Select Lisa in the user list. Then select System Management. Enable the Data Alert privilege for Lisa. Use the same operation to enable the Data Alert privilege for Tom Sunlin. At this point, you have completed the basic configuration of data alerts. Next, you need to create an alert task. After completing the privilege configuration, we use Tom's account to log into the Data Decision System. We can view the conditional query and graphical report in the directory. The Data Alert button will appear in the preview interface. We select Indonesia from the drop-down box of the report to find out the corresponding data. Then click the Data Alert button. Create an alert task. Next, let's take a look at the details of the alert task. We need to set up an alert for the total amount of orders in the table. The alert task name is Indonesia Sales Alert. The alert object is the total order amount. The alert condition is that the alert is triggered when the order amount is less than $3,000. The check notification frequency is every 22 minutes. Recipients are designated users Lisa and Tom. Notification method is set to be platform notification. Notification content remains default. Privacy setting is only visible to you and recipients. The responsible person of the alert proxy is Lisa. The notification needs to be completed within 1 day after the alert is triggered. Let's go back to the data decision system. Create the first alert task. Log into the data decision system with Tom's account. Click on Conditional Queries and Chart Linked Reports in the directory. Select Indonesia in the drop-down box. And check the corresponding data. Then click the Data Alert button. Select Create Data Alert Task. An alert task has been created here in advance. Click Edit to modify the task. Set the alert name to Indonesia Sales Alert. Click the Select button. Select the alert object in the report. After clicking the button, you can create an alert in the report by highlighting the content. Select the column named Order Total in the upper right corner of the table. Then enter the name of the alert object, Order Amount. The alert condition is less than 3,000. Check notification is every 20 minutes. Recipient of alert notification. We set the recipient to be specified. Check the user and select Lisa Tom in the drop-down box. The notification method here uses the default platform notification. The body message of the platform notification stays as default. Privacy settings choose to make the notification visible only to yourself and the recipient. The alert task needs to generate an alert proxy. The responsible person selects Lisa in the drop-down box. The alert proxy needs to be resolved within 1 day of the alert being triggered. Click OK to complete the creation. The created alert task will be displayed as an alert card on the right side of the interface. Next, we will create the second alert task. We need to use a Sunlin account. Log into the data decision system. Open the conditional query and chart linked reports in the directory. Again, the alert button will appear. At this point, we need to create an alert for the total shipping cost in Thailand. The alert condition is set to greater than 5,000. Category is Thailand. The series is total freight amount. Inspection notification is every 30 minutes. Recipient setting is designated recipient. User is Sunlin himself. The notification method we also choose the platform. Other contents remain default settings. Choose public for privacy setting. Because Lisa needs to subscribe to this task. So we choose public here. The responsible person of the alert to do is Sunlin. We need to solve the problem within 1 day of the alert. So we log into the data decision system. The current Tom's account pops up. Use Sunlin's account to log into the data decision system. After logging in, select Conditional Query and Chart Linkage Report in the directory. Again, we select Indonesia in the drop-down box and query it. After querying the corresponding data, click the Alert button and create an alert task. The task name of the alert task is Thailand Freight Alert. Alert Objects. We click the Select button. At this time, the area of the report where we can create an alert task is highlighted. We select the bar in the lower right corner. Thailand area in the picture. The name of the alert object is Total Freight. Select the Thailand series for the category. Select Total Freight Amount. The alert condition is set to trigger the alert when it is greater than 5,000. Check notification is checked every 30 minutes. Recipient checkbox for user. Select Sunlin in the drop-down box. Select Platform Notification as notification method. Keep the default setting for body message. Privacy setting checkbox select Everyone can see. Tick the box of claiming to be an early alert to do tasks. The responsible person of the alert to do tasks is Sunlin. You need to solve the corresponding task within 1 day. Click OK. After completing the creation of the alert task, We need to use Lisa's account. Log into the decision-making system. Subscribe to the alert task just created by Sunlin. Lisa will receive the corresponding alert task notification. Log into Lisa's account. Select the conditional query and chart linkage template. We click on the Data Alerts button in the template. At this point we can see Indonesia Sales Alert Task. As Lisa is the responsible person and recipient of this task, so we can't unsubscribe. For the Public Thailand Freight Alert Task, Lisa can check the subscribe button to receive the alert notification of this task. If you don't want to receive, just uncheck the box. For demonstration purposes, we have created an alert task in advance, and the alert is triggered according to the conditions. After the alarm is triggered, the notification will be sent according to the configured alert notification method. At this time, you can see the alert notification in the message content alert of the platform. The content of the notification is the body message set in the alert task. If you are a responsible person, you will also receive alert notifications from the alert to-do. Let's learn how to manage the alert task. Take the Indonesia Sales Alert Task as an example. After the data alert task is created, when the total amount of the order is less than $3,000, you can send a notification to the recipient through the platform. At the same time, you can create a task for the alert to do. Log into the Data Decision System with Lisa's account. In the Management System Data Alerts, select the alerts I have received. You can view the received alerts. In the Management System Data Alert, select Alert To-Do Center. You can see the alerts received by Lisa's account. Users can process the alerts here. For example, add a note, delay, resolve the task. As the creator of the task, Tom, you can check the status of the alert offices of the created task in the Alert Offices Center. Back to the Data Management System. We use Lisa's account to log into the data. Select Data Alerts in the Management System. Click on the alerts I have received. Here you can see Lisa is the designated recipient of the alert task. Alerts received by Lisa. And the alerts that Lisa has subscribed to herself. Here, we can select the corresponding alert task and view the historical trend graph of the data. In the historical trend graph, we can see the changes of the corresponding data in different time periods. Next, let's select the Alert Center. We can see the alerts received by Lisa as the responsible person for the Thailand sales alerts. Here we can choose whether the task is resolved or not, and whether the task needs to be delayed and set an estimated time for resolution. We can also add a note to explain the status of the task. For example, if the task needs to be delayed. In the comments, enter delayed processing. Then click the delay button. Set the estimated resolution time. For example, set it to the end of the month. You can see that the status of the task has been changed from delay red to processing. Tom, the creator of the alert task. You can check the comment and processing status in the estimated proxy. We use Tom's account to log into Data Decision System. Select Data Alerts in the Management System. Select the alert I created. Here you can view the data alert tasks created by Tom, the task creator himself. You can also view the data history trend graph, preview the template or delete the task. Select Alert To-Do Center. Here, Tom can see the alerts he has created. Tasks triggered by the responsible person. Tom can also see the status of the task and the resolution time of the task. The example in this section is mainly through the built-in account of the data platform to lead you to learn how to create an alert task and the effect of sending notifications in the platform. In addition, mail, SMS, client notifications, application API notifications. Mail is also a common notification method. Mailboxes need to be configured for the system and users before using mail notifications. Creating and managing data alerts is the same. Let's take a look at a task that has already been configured. Check the effect of email notification. Here we have created a system maintenance task in advance using the hypervisor account. This task monitors the system's downtime. When the alerting pawn is more than 5 seconds old, the alarm condition is satisfied. The frequency of checking is every 15 minutes per hour. Alerts are received by mail. The system will send a message to the recipient and the responsible person through the configured mailbox. The system will send emails to the recipients and the responsible person's mailboxes. Here, we will check the body text of the email transmission. The body of the email transmission is set in the alarm task. The body of the message is the template of the alert name, trigger condition, alert data, etc. Here we can also customize the supported variables according to our needs. Other settings of mail support. There are two types of email contents, result link and alarm object. Result link. Display the report content as a hyperlink in the email. Alarm object. Display the report content as a picture in the email. It is convenient for users to view the information about the alert task through email. Here, we select the alert object to demonstrate the corresponding effect. Log into the mailbox of the person responsible for the alert. Select the inbox. We can see the system has sent the responsible person an email about the alert task. The email shows the body of the message set in the alert task, and the content of the alert is displayed as a picture in the attachment. The system also sends a mailbox notification for the alert to do, informing the responsible person that an alert has been generated. The corresponding person needs to deal with it immediately. The content of this section ends here. You can continue to learn how to use the data alert function through the document.